Okay guys, we're at the third floor basically of this property. It's a duplex, beautiful duplex. Everything's been completely redone in it. Floors, vanities, electric, tile. Check this out. Very talented people that did this. And it could come furnished, but the furnishings do not come with it. This is a nice master, and plantation shutters are all the way around the entire home. Like I said, we're on the third floor. Nice little balcony. That's a good sized walk-in closet that takes you to the attic. Also, I'm going to break these up into floors just so the video is not really long. And we got a nice coffee bar here, so you don't have to go downstairs. And we do have some clients that are looking at it right now. Another master. This is a little bit more of a true master because they have a full bath here. They're getting a curtain already. Look at that, it's beautiful. But check this out. That is a great look right there. I love that. And the tile all matches. Then we have a nice little dressing area here. And you can't have a master without a big master closet. A lot of room there for shoes or whatever. And that door back there, that's actually like a owner's closet. So if you did rentals, which this would be a great rental, you could lock your stuff up. Kind of show you at that roof and that building, that condo, that's the ocean. So that's how close you are. A lot of parking back here. Another balcony. So you're about 2 or 3 blocks from Flagler, but very nice.